Hello. So in this video, we're going to discuss how to clean up your Google Classroom dashboard and classrooms at the end of the year. So just like you clean up your file cabinets and your lessons and things like that, it's a good thing to go through and clean up your Google Classroom at the end of the year. So there are a couple of steps to do that. The first step that you want to do is you want to find the classroom that you are no longer going to be teaching. So for instance, these are my classes from this year, and you just want to click on the students. It's going to take you right to the students, and you want to unenroll these students. You want to remove them from the class. The reason is twofold. One, they can't get into your classroom anymore, and two, it takes it off their classroom dashboard too. So if you don't remove them, then they start gathering up all sorts of different classes in their Google Classroom. So you just click on this little box right here and hit remove, and it gets rid of all your students. It's going to ask and say, are you really sure you want to remove these kids? And you say, yes, I'm really sure I want to remove them. And off they go. So now this class does not have any students in it. So it has 0 students. I now have a couple of choices for this class. I can reuse it if I want to. If I am one of these people that likes to keep all my assignments in one place, I can reuse it and just leave it like this and add new students in next year and just change the title. Or I can make a copy of it. So if you make a master and you have all your lessons in it and you want to make a copy and then rename it to the years, you can do that. Or you can archive it. This is the one I usually do because I don't want it sitting on my desktop anymore in my Google Classroom, so I just hit archive. Once you archive it, you still have access to it. It just puts it out of the way. So I can always get to my archived classes by going to the 3 lines up here and go all the way down, and you'll see archived classes. So if I click on archived classes, here's all my classes that I have archived. You can tell that they're archived because they get slashes through their backgrounds right there, but I can always click on them at any time and see the classwork and all the stuff that I had done, and I can copy classwork from there. Once you have that done, you can do that with all the rest of your classes if you want to. Once you have that done, the next thing you probably want to do is go to your Google Calendar, because Google Classroom makes a class calendar for every single class you have. So you'll notice, like, I haven't done this in a while. All my Google Classrooms are sitting right here. Now, it's not a big deal because they're not going to show up on your calendar over here, but it does make your shared calendars kind of a little messy. So if you want them to completely disappear from your calendar feed over here, when you just hover over the calendar you want, and if you click on this X, it's going to remove that calendar. So you can go ahead and click remove calendar, and it's completely removed from your list. The 3 dots also has, like, you can hide it from the list. It's still hanging out there and you can just hide it, and if you need to go back and see it later, you can. I just completely remove my calendars altogether because then it just makes my list off on this side a little bit shorter. So those are the steps to clean up your Google Classroom and get it ready for next year. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks.